Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding the product immediately. In Shopify, click Products then Add Product. Upload your best 2000 by 2000 images and set a primary image. Good visuals sell. Next, enter a clear title and a short summary that highlights 1 to 2 benefits. Once done, add SKU, weight, inventory quantity, and the price so Shopify can calculate shipping and stock. Make sure to enable tracking if you want automatic inventory updates. This prevents oversells and keeps your store reliable. Now configure options and settings that shape the shopping experience. Add variants for size, color, or material, and assign unique SKUs and inventory per variant so stock levels stay accurate. Then write an informative description covering features, benefits, dimensions, and care instructions. This helps reduce returns and answers common questions. After that, edit the search engine listing. Set a concise SEO title, meta description, and clean URL handle so customers find the page. Once these are saved, preview the product to confirm variant selection and finish by choosing sales channels and making the product visible or scheduling its launch. This controls where customers see it. Add the product to relevant collections, set tags for filtering, and configure related product or upsell blocks to increase average order value. Before announcing, test the purchase flow with a draft order or test payment to confirm checkout, shipping, and taxes. If something breaks, clear your browser cache, verify variant inventory and weight settings, and resave the product. Most issues are caused by missing SKU or inventory tracking mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.